Creating a 3D wallpaper on iOS 26 can make your iPhone feel much more dynamic, with a depth effect that brings your lock screen to life. Instead of a flat image, the subject appears layered, giving a subtle sense of movement and separation when you interact with your device. The feature looks impressive, but many users aren't sure how to actually create it or why it sometimes doesn't work with certain photos. That's because iOS relies on specific image conditions like clear subject detection and proper positioning to enable the depth effect. Once you understand how to choose the right image and apply the setting correctly, making a 3D wallpaper becomes quick and easy, and the result looks noticeably better than a standard background. Try these. Step 1. Open Settings, then Wallpaper, and tap Add New Wallpaper. Step 2. Choose a photo with a clear subject. Step 3. Adjust the image so the subject is well positioned on the screen. Step 4. Tap Depth Effect to enable the 3D look. Step 5. Make sure widgets don't block the subject, or the effect may turn off. Step 6. Tap Done to apply the wallpaper.